Hello and welcome back to my channel. As I've got no updates on the bikes this week, I thought I'd show you a video of a car I've been repairing. So this belongs to one of my customers. It's a Mercedes S280 and he's rattled the side of it down something. I'm not sure what, he didn't say, he just wanted me to get on and repair it. So here is a video of me repairing the car. I hope you enjoy. She's out. What a chew on. Road. This way. Another one now. This way. I think this door's ready to come off now. To take these doors off, you need to get to the wiring loom, you need to undo the wiring loom, and there's a hole here and it's got like a little square cut out in it. You can just get a screwdriver in it and turn it and it actually releases this electrical clip that's clipped together. Next thing to do is to get this pin out of here, undo the nuts top and bottom, and then the door can be lifted off. Look at that, central locking on air pump. I've got everything I need off for now, so it's time to just undo the door and take it off. With my trusty old school Blue Point air ratchet. I've had this since I was a lad. That should now come off. Looking like we're getting somewhere. Just put one of these glue tabs on here. I'm going to see if it'll pull it out a bit. We'll do this another way, shall we? There's some bubbling coming through on this wing, so I figured that I would do that as well at the same time. It made sense. So I've sanded it back, sanded them rust bubbles out, and I've just put a bit of that like cure rust on. So this is the stuff I've used. I've just touched some of that in on this bare metal now that I've ground the rust out. So I'll let that go off, and then I will fill that and then prime over, and then it can be painted with this door and the next door when I get it on. I've still got this repair to do yet. So I'll get that filler knocked off and get that ready for primer as well. I've fast forwarded a bit now, and that filler work is done. I've got the car masked up. The next job is I'm going to get some primer on it. So I've got some 2-pack primer mixed up in the gun. Let's get it on the car.